Ever feel like your LEGO creations are a bit plain and thinking of using some way to spice it up? Well, buckle up because today we are diving into one of the underrated mock technique, which is greebling. This is a technique which I think can take your LEGO creations from meh to oh my god. So forget those boring start and grid. We are talking some tiny details, hidden panels, and enough textures to make your fingers tingle. It's like sprinkling magic dust on your bricks, turning them from basic builds into detailed masterpieces. So what exactly is greebling? This is technique involved using small parts, often referred as gribbles, or grouping of mechanical looking elements that provide details. They are used to give details and show the scale of mock, such as the official set 10221 Superstar Destroyer, where small parts are meant to look like the various floors, towers, and turrets. It can be used to fill up any space that is boring or needs something to help it stand out or blend into your mock. It's like giving your creation a mechanical beard, a steampunk coat of arms, or a futuristic spacesuit. There's no order or set way to place the pieces for greebling. A tip that you can use is to make the pieces connect into each other. This will make the greebles look like they are just random parts. Greebling can be anything from subtle hints of machinery to full-on explosion of details, all depending on your visions and the story you want your LEGO creations to tell. Hi, I'm Weng Yu. I've started my LEGO mock journey since 2014 and I'm a big fan of LEGO City, mostly collecting cities related themes like modular streets and some creator sets. I always love to challenge myself and try out different kinds of mock themes. So here's how greebling works, and it's pretty simple. First, gather your bricks. You don't need fancy stuff, just a bunch of small irregular LEGO pieces, for example like plates, tiles, slopes, clips, modified bricks or plates, anything that you can add textures and break up the monotony of flat surfaces. Then, let your imagination run wild. Don't overthink it. Just start attaching those little pieces wherever they tickle your fancy. Build greeble clusters around vents, engines, or even on the backside of a spaceship where nobody might see. The key is to create a sense of depth and complexities. Lastly, think about scale and functions. Bigger build can handle larger greeble elements, while smaller ones might need more delicate details. And remember, greebling isn't just for aesthetics. It can also give a hint of inner works of your creations. Like a spaceship covered in a greeble might suggest a well-worn vessel that has seen to be went through a lot of battles. I found there are 3 reasons of greebling. Build realism and immersions. A greeble LEGO creations feel alive, like it has a history and a purpose. It's no longer just a pile of bricks, but like a miniature world waiting for people to be explored. Another benefit which is more straightforward, which is show off your skill. Mastering greebling takes practice and creativity, this making it a badge of honor for any LEGOs builder. It's a way to say, I don't just follow instruction, I build my worlds. Last, it also provides endless possibilities. There's no right or wrong way to greeble. Experiment, have fun, and let your imaginations be your guide. If you are ready to set sail on the greebling seas, then here are 3 tips for you. First tip is to start small at the beginning. Don't overwhelm your build with too much greeble at once. Add it gradually and see how it flows. Second tip, use contrasting colors. Highlighting your greeble with different colors can make it pop up and add visual interest. Third tip, don't be afraid to break the rules. Sometimes the most interesting greeble comes from using pieces in an unexpected way. Blend, twist, and distort those bricks to your view. If you feel greebling techniques alone might not be sufficient for your build, then you should check out this snot technique which I cover in this video.